What's up, everybody? Good morning. We got a ride along today. And by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe on the YouTube channel. Thanks a lot. By the way, I got a call from one of my dealers, and there's a tailgate on a truck that has dents that are pointing outward. And they've got 4 of them, 2 on one side and 2 on the other, that are identical. No, I can't figure out how it happened, but let's go inspect it, see how it goes, and see how we can fix this tailgate. See ya. So check this out. It's kind of interesting and weird at the same time. On this tailgate, I've got 2 little dents right there and 2 little dents down there. I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you. Just kind of interesting, unique. I have no clue how this even could possibly happen. The tailgate of the truck. These look like they're pointing out, these dents, and there's 2 exactly like it on the other side too. That's weird. So I had to get into the tailgate like this. Took off this little cover. This cover was right here. And let's check out this. Came out good. There was the 2 over here somewhere. So, and video can't lie. And even with this fence right here, man, I can't lie about this one at all. This is telling the truth. There was 2 more over here. Let's see, they're right about there. So let's see. Came out killer. So if you got a truck and your tailgate has some issues like this, maybe from too large of cargo slamming in the back, I don't know what it was, but I know us truck guys, if your tailgate is got some dings, it's kind of embarrassing. That's the first thing all truck guys want to get fixed. I don't know why it is, but it's fact. I get the calls all the time.